Okay, Tommy, this is your homework, my guy. I'll show you from the side so you can see, but the very first point is we don't want to cover too much distance from a lateral standpoint. So if I'm here and I'm dribbling, what I do not want is this huge energy boost and gallop as if we're trying to dunk on somebody, even if I show you on the opposite side, okay? Start with a live. I do not want, no, okay? What I do want is just a light hop, barely getting your feet off the ground. This is probably what's best for you without doing a live dribble. Through your legs, small hop. As soon as that ball's in your hand, hop. Got that? Okay, show you front facing, all right? Notice I'm not leaning over, right, to get back. Nope. If you wanna have a small crouch, I'm cool with that. All right? Notice ball, if we're doing live dribbles and you can do it cyclically, continuing without extra rhythm dribbles, then by all means, be my guest, right? If not, keep everything here when you're ready. Got that? Makes sense? Now, adding one to that, can you move forward, right? Gradually. So I'll show you side facing, so it makes more sense, and then I'll show you front facing. Gradual. Right? Slowly, incrementally take your time moving forward. Ooh. All right. Notice too, offhand, it's not by my side, it's not behind my back, right? It's useless. Useful, right? Useless, behind, side, useless, useful, okay? All right, just slowly shadows the ball, all right? From here, what I want you to do is focus on adding a crossover, all right? So you can do these opposite every time if you want, or you can just start from the beginning to where you're here, as soon as you land, step and cross, all right? So if you wanna start with a live dribble, be my guest, all right? Step, small hop, as soon as we land, cross, all right? Step, land. Now, notice how choppy it is to where we're landing, and as soon as we're landing, we're kind of waiting. Wait, and then step, okay? I'll show you opposite way, and that's totally fine. Got me? Now, next, if you want to just eliminate that entirely, focus on as soon as you land, oof, cross out of there. And notice I'm running out of there, all right? Show you the opposite way. Side hop. All right, show you side facing. All right, show you opposite way. Notice, as soon as we land, step and go. All right, if you wanna put that together, that's what it will look like cyclically, okay? Going back and forth every time. All right, show you opposite way. Got that? Obviously, the cue component part of saying go, you can do that for yourself, right? You can add some type of sound, right? Or just say it in your head, if you will. Something external that's going to, force you to react, all right? But for the most part, brother, can you run out of these, okay? Even if we just did, can you run out of these? All right, that's the most important part of excelling out of these, all right? Notice posture, everything remains the same. Also as well too, notice how I'm not putting the ball down immediately after the cross. No, give yourself a chance to have them chase you, if you will, so you can really cover ground, all right?